I woke up today and I said, you know what? I'm craving some Haitian Patties, so I'm finna go get me a Haitian Patty. Yeah, man. Best in Broward Bakery right over here in North Lauderdale. If you know, you know. I'm putting y'all on officially right now. These are the best Haitian patties in Broward County. If I'm lying, I'm flying. All right, now that bag's secured now. I spent what? $4.70. I got me a Sprite and I got me 2 chicken patés, man. Cheap, real cheap. Now, one thing you never do is eat a pate in your car. Cause when I tell you it's crumbs galore, you gonna have 1,000,001 crumbs just sitting on your seat, on your lap. And it's just not a good look, you feel me? One thing about it, they not stingy on the filling. They definitely gonna bless. Usually patés, they be a little stingy on the filling. But Best in Broward, oh yeah, they the ones, man. The absolute best pate spot in Broward. Their name is Best in Broward Bakery for a reason. Y'all go get you one, man.